Hey, I was doing some laundry and I thought now would be a good time to read a new book presented to me by my sister-in-law, Marlena. The book is called Polar Bear's Underwear. Poor polar bear, he can't find his underwear. What's the matter? Asked his friend Mouse. I've lost my underwear. What kind of underwear were you wearing today, polar bear? I can't remember. Don't worry, polar bear. We'll look for it together. Thank you, Mouse. Polar bear's underwear. Look at this colorful striped underwear. Is this your pair, polar bear? No, it is not my underwear. Whose underwear is it? It's Zebra's underwear, and it's his favorite pair too. This pair has treats all over it. It looks delicious. Is it your pair, polar bear? No, it's not mine, Mouse. Whose underwear is it? Nom nom nom. It's Piggy's underwear. Here's an itsy bitsy pair of underwear with flowers. Cute. This pair is too small for you, polar bear. I agree. But whose underwear is it? It's so small. It's Butterfly's underwear. This underwear says, I love mice. This must be your pair, polar bear. No, it's not my underwear at all. Well, whose underwear is it? Oh no, it's Cat's underwear. Run! Whew! Polka dot underwear with ruffles? Is this your pair, polar bear? Is it? Let's have a look. Wiggle wiggle, it's Squid's underwear, and he has 10 legs. This pair of carrot underwear is upside down. Is this your pair, polar bear? No way. Whose underwear is it? It's Bunny underwear, and it looks great on her head. Here's some white underwear. Whose pair could it be? Look closer. Polar bear, you are wearing your underwear. Your pair isn't lost at all. Oh, I forgot I put on new white underwear today. I had no idea that I was wearing my underwear all along, Mouse. I'm glad you found your pair, polar bear. And then there's a song. Polar bear's underwear is so clean, so white. He loves his pair because it's bright. Polar bear underwear so comfy and new. Would you like to wear a pair too? The end. Polar bear's underwear. Thank you, Marlena. Have a good day.